At 8:24 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 38 nautical miles west of Pleasant Prairie to 53 nautical miles southwest of Winthrop Harbor to 72 nautical miles west of Monroe, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Interstate 57 between mile markers 336 and 357. Interstate 80 between mile markers 111 and 155. Interstate 88 between mile markers 123 and 140. Interstate 94 between mile markers 37 and 62. Interstate 290 between mile markers 2 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 37 and 62. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 30. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
In Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Northport Light, Wisconsin until 11:30 p.m. At 10:01 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line from near shore with north to near Sheboygan. These storms are moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Port Washington. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until midnight for southeastern Wisconsin.
The following is a special marine
Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 11:30 p.m. At 10:26 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 24 nautical miles east of Winthrop Harbor to 15 nautical miles east of Montrose Harbor to 22 nautical miles west of Michigan City, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Winds may precede the arrival of precipitation by several minutes. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. In Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Port Washington, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois. Lake Michigan from North Point Lake, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake until midnight at 10:33 p.m. An area of strong winds were located onshore from near Milwaukee, south to near Winthrop Harbor. These winds are occurring along the backside of an area of showers and are moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Seek safe shelter. Mariners can expect gusty winds and increasing waves.